Received a VCI drawing file from an architect or engineer using specialized KeyID software? This is a native drawing format from VPHybridCAD, a hybrid 2D 3D CAD application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and view these VPHybridCAD native drawing files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a VCI file, even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. VCI files are native drawing files created by VPHybridCAD, a 2D and 3D CAD application developed by Softcover International. They store complete drawing data, including vector geometry layers, dimensions, text annotations, 3D solid surfaces, and drawing properties used in architectural, mechanical, and engineering design workflows. VCI files use VPHybridCAD's proprietary binary format, storing geometric primitives, points, lines, arcs, splines, polygons, and 3D solids organized in layered drawing structures. The format includes dimension styles, text formatting, block definitions, external references, and viewport configurations specific to the VPHybridCAD application architecture. The source application for VCI is frequently listed as VPHybridCAD from Softelec. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows provides only partial visibility, so full exploration requires a compatible 3D modeling program. To ensure success, right-click the VCI file and select Open With. Run the file through VPHybridCAD if it is installed. If it's not present, choose another application. Sometimes older programs work best. When a VCI file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're dealing with a highly specific VCI file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, opening in VPHybridCAD. Download and install VPHybridCAD from the Softcover International website. Launch the application, use File, then Open, and navigate to the VCI file. The drawing displays in the CAD workspace with full editing capabilities including 2D drafting, 3D modeling layer management, and dimension editing tools. Next, exporting to standard formats. In VPHybridCAD, I use File, then Export or Save. As to convert the VCI drawing to widely supported CAD formats like DXF, DWG, or STEP. These exported files can be opened in AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, or any compatible KeyID software enabling collaboration with users who don't have VPHybridCAD installed. Finally, viewing without VPHybridCAD. Without VPHybridCAD installed, VCI files cannot be opened directly. Request the sender to export the drawing to DXF or DWG format, which can be viewed using free tools like Autodesk Viewer, DWG TrueView, or LibreCAD. These viewers display the drawing geometry and annotations without requiring the original CAD application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.